Great, hi. Welcome to the first video. Statistically speaking, you either search this video up or you got recommended from this video, which I posted 5 months ago.
You suck.
Anyways, I'm happy that you're here. So basically, this first video is just an intro video. And really, I decided to start making these videos after I realized that there was an outpour of support for the Breakthrough Junior Challenge video, which once again was posted over 5 months ago. Anyways, I guess what my plan is for the channel is, just post some knowledge, post videos, post science, post really anything that helps people. Post things that I know and I can teach well without giving false information. Anyways, for those of you who don't know me yet, I'm sure
Wait, bro, don't start without me. I'm in this too, come on.
Wait, since when? Oh wait. Are you the guy that I met 5 months ago at the start of school? Right. Yeah, I'm a bad friend.
How do you even forget about me? I'm like right here.
Well, never mind.
Okay, just get on with the video.
My name is Shehraz,
And I'm Sam.
and our videos are basically going to be informative science videos that are easy and straight to the point.
Yeah, and just with some comedy.
So yeah, our goal is really just to educate people on things that we know and we can confidently educate people about. So yeah, feel free to comment if we miss anything, and we hope that we can, produce some really good quality science videos. And really, the main goal and the main reason why we did this is actually because a lot of people, including us, struggle with watching like 30-minute videos that our professors or our teachers give us and beat around the bush.
Our videos will be pretty short, so things will be mostly straightforward. But we promise you that everything that you need to know about most topics will be explained in 10 minutes or less. And yeah, that's basically it, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so basically that's it. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll be producing videos shortly. Hint, hint. Our next video is going to be something about the periodic table, so stay tuned for that. Turn on the notification bells, and once again, subscribe if you want.
No, Shehraz, you have to make them subscribe with our great and amazing videos.